Oh, it's absolute an honor to welcome Professor Kartal Lalwani and the founder of Near Beta Biotics and a great scientist. And while we are getting his memento on stage, I met him in 2014 in London at their board of directors meeting, and where I made a presentation on spina bifida, and at the end of the presentation, Professor Alwani had tears in his eyes, and he said that Dr. Karmarkar, we will support you for whatever you want for this cause. And so it's a great honor that he's here with us today. May I request, yes, Uma will like to say a few words.
So it is honor to be with you all, and I always tell Dr. Karmarkar that when we come and meet all of you, we get inspired because all the parents and all the brave hearts, I think that we need to learn from you rather than you learning something from us, and you have always been an inspiration. And it's our pleasure to support the foundation. And today we are very fortunate. We have attended so many programs, outreach program for Spina Bifida Foundation today. But today we feel very honored and happy that our chairman, Dr. Lalwani, is here. He is a 93-year-old young person who works every day, 12 hours a day. And he had a minor fall in the month of February, and he had a fracture, and then he did not allow doctors to operate him, and then he got healed, and he is here for the present for the program, and we are very happy, and he has worked tremendously. He has dedicated his life for the cause of innovation for the women healthcare and children healthcare. So big round of applause for Dr. Alwani.
So, Dr. Lalwani and his company have got the Queen's Award 2 or 3 times in UK, and have specially called Sailesh and Mahi to join Ravina ji to felicitate Professor Lalwani. So, yes, yes. So I'm requesting Sailesh and Mahi to please remain on stage, and the others also to be on stage, because we are coming to the end of our felicitation, and I'm going to also ask Samantha from Goa. Yeah, she was holding her eyes. She just jumped up with the name. Come in front. Come in front. And maybe Sahil, is he there? Sahil? Sahil, please come up. So these are all great stars. Samantha is from Goa and doing so well. She is soon due for a surgery of her urinary tract. And Sahil is an athlete, a cricketing champion, and also won several medals in Khelo India. Yeah. And Sailesh, whom you see here, also recently underwent bladder reconstruction surgery. He's from Bangalore. He's an entrepreneur and great motorist. He drives his own modified car and drives from Bangalore to Mumbai, Mumbai to Hyderabad alone. No company can. And with that inspiration, Mahi is learning driving from him. Maithili is learning driving from him. And there are half a dozen people in the queue wanting to learn driving. So, before we felicitate our chief guest, I'm going to request all three or four of them to speak for a minute each. Where shall we start? Samantha, you want to speak first? You want to say something? No? Say anything. How are you feeling?
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good coming here.
I thought you were going to say hungry. Where do you stay in Goa?
In Kolin, Old Goa,
Okay. And which school?
Kendra Vidyalayam, I study in
And which class?
5th standard I study, 5th week.
Great.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to thank my Spina Bifida Foundation. Because of Spina Bifida Foundation, my para-athletic journey would started from 2022. Spina Bifida support me a lot throughout my journey by providing me this wheelchair, active wheelchair. So I would reach out my all events from 2024 state, nationals, and after that Hello India. So I would like to thank General Ma'am and Santosh sir for supporting me throughout my journey. And my target is to set 2028 Olympic gold medal for. I promise you to. I will bring gold medal to my foundation. Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I just want to say a big thank you to the Spina Bifida Foundation for always being a support, a strength. They can, not just for my career, they have been supporting me for my NEET case. I've been fighting a case in High Court and now I'm on the way to pursue that dream. I want to thank each one of you because not just for my career but in my personal life as well. If I need any support, they'll just come to my home to convince my parents. It's on that level. So thank you so much.
Yeah, so it's all, I mean, they are great inspirers themselves. So, I mean, we get inspired to do so many things because of all of them. And as she was mentioning, when she was young, the disability certificate mentioned 90% disability. And then this year, when she wanted to appear for the NEET exam to become a doctor, the rules say that if it's above 70% disability, you're not allowed to become a doctor. So which was really terrible because I know so many doctors who are wheelchair users and on the top of their field. One name is Dr. Advani, which many of you know. He is India's top oncologist. And if I say top, you can imagine his consulting fee is 10,000 rupees. So Mahi is perfectly capable of becoming a doctor. So we said, okay, Mahi, but we'll file up. Her parents had given up. Ki, nahi, we tried, but it's not happening. I said, let's file a court case. And just a month back, she won in the High Court. And she is now allowed to appear for NEET exam. I said, now the foundation has done its job. The remaining job of the exam you have to do. We can't come and help solve the paper for you. Okay, Shashi.
Good evening, one and all. It's a really pleasure to be in front of you all. So Spina Bifida Foundation is a really special foundation for me. Like whenever I feel there's no hope, I turn back to them and they retrieve me somehow. Whenever I go on vacation, I get stuck up with my health. Whatever it is, sir is always there to have me back. Not only with respect to health, with career guidance, and they've been always been a great support. And it's really wonderful having you all over here. Hope to meet you all soon. Thank you so much.
So the main person that all of us will felicitate now, we do it practically every year, but without her unflinching support, the foundation would not have achieved a lot of things that we did, especially starting with the prevention campaign, as I mentioned. And so we want to acknowledge the support of Ravina ji. Again, she does not require introduction, but apart from her being a leading actress, I know that she's a great social activist and supports many causes like the Spina Bifida Foundation, and she has a foundation called the Rudra Foundation herself, and which supports so many such ventures. Again, a strong lady, and has brought up wonderful children who are aiming to step in her shoes, all children. And maybe some of you know that she adopted two girls as her children, and seeing that they also grew up so well. So we are very happy that Ravina spared her precious time, as usual, dashing from one shoot to the other, and we would like to acknowledge her. And Sonia, please, and we'll ask Mr. Rajiv Mehta and Uma, please come up, and Sneha, please come up. Sneha, chief coordinator. Let's have everyone in the picture. And also, I would like my colleague Rajiv Redgar, please join up on stage. That's for you. Come. Up. Rajiv, come. So a big round of applause.